Hey everyone, this is another video. This is going to break down the PvP system. And my other videos, we went over dash cell, we went over the lineup, and we went over story mode. This is going to be a little bit more complex and could be confusing to some. I'm going to try to break it down for you to understand every little aspect of PvP. So before entering a match, you can see I am losing a lot. I do not try to rank up or level up my NFTs too much here because I want it to be fair. But I'm going to break down the PvP system. It's all a weight-based system. So I'm going to give you some examples here. If my mint number on my card was 5 and my opponent's was 1, that opponent is going to win that weight. So it would be, they just received 10 points on that column. Let's break it down to the next one. Total experience. If I had more total experience, I'm getting 5 points. So it's 10 to 5 right now. And then breaking it down each skill. You can see on nocity.com we have a knowledge base. You can break it down in the PvP weight-based algorithm. And this is all public knowledge for anybody that's playing. You can see each skill has a different weight. So manipulation is 8 points, combat is 5, awareness is 7, defense 10. And it breaks everything down. Now RNG, which is random number generator, it's going to generate a number. So whoever has the highest number is going to win. So if my opponent had a 10, I had a 2, that opponent is now going to win 30 points. So for me to make up those 30 points, I need to win in other areas. And basically it adds up all these points and it just breaks everything down. I'm gonna now break down the health RNG. So if you won, your health is gonna be anywhere between 1 to 10% decrease in PvP. If you lost, well, it's gonna be between 10 to 25% of your starting health. So it's all random number generated to allow fairness in the game. We ran numbers. You will get more battles out this way by taking it down percentage instead of point system. So this prolongs the amount you can PvP and making it fair, because once you get down to lower levels, of course the percentage can be smaller. It's gonna be less health, but it's gonna break down a little bit better for you. So here's another example. You can see the health RNG. It'll change. If the health RNG was 50, which we don't have anymore, that used to be 50, but if it was 25, you'll see how it decreases with starting and ending health. So these are really important to look at if you're new to No City. Just keep your eye on that, because it's gonna depend on how you rank up your characters, because what you're going up against. Now, question I get a lot all the time, everyone's like, okay, well, how does it pick my opponent? Can I just fight somebody I want? You can't fight somebody you want. It's all going to be matchmaking based off of your level and the opponent's level. So typically speaking, it's going to try to go within 5 levels. So if I'm my NFT up there, my lineup is level 2, my opponent is level 3, it's going to match us up. While it's matching us up, it's going to run that algorithm and pick the winner. So I'm going to show you real quick. Hopefully I don't lose, probably will. Don't know what happened there. It'll say loading, and then it'll say please wait. And then I'll show you what happened. So this person beat me, and they earned Noken off that red parallel, and I lost 13 health on this NFT. Also, if you won, it'll tell you how much Noken you've earned here. Let me show you that as well. Gotta pick a win. So right here, I won 15 Noken. It adds to my total here, also on the blockchain. Another thing I want to break down here is a lot of people don't see these green buttons. You got to make sure your NFT that are in your lineup are enabled. If they're not enabled, then they're disabled. You might get an error when you click find a match. So just make sure these are enabled. If you get another error, look at this player asset error and click here. I'm already set on my mint numbers, but if I wasn't, I was getting an error, you click here to get those mint numbers and then start matchmaking again. But you got to keep an eye on these enable buttons. If they are red, It means it's disabled. If it's out of health, it'll be disabled. It can't go into a match when it has 0 health. And that's pretty much it on this video. Again, if you have any questions, reach out to our community on Telegram, Discord, reach out to us on Twitter. We're always here to answer questions. I'm going to break down the game in a future videos of, each element of the game. Make sure you look at the other videos. This game is a little bit more diverse than most games on the Wax blockchain. So, do a lot of reading, and hopefully these videos are helping you.